Guys, I am audible. Okay. So, uh, yesterday we have learned about container networking, like how we have created the bridge network and how we have connected and disconnected. That we have learned, right? So now today, what we learn today, we will see means how uh, one container is talking to another container. Okay, and how means we can ping from host to the container and container to the host machine. Okay, so let's start. I will try to draw one figure so that you guys may understand it. uh, See, yesterday I think we have already created some container, right? So suppose today I have already created few containers. So few container I have already created. You can see here, like Docker PS. Okay, here you are able to see 5 container I have created. Container 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I will explain these all things. Okay. I'm coming to the word. Okay. So suppose this one is container 1, this one is container 2, this one is container 3, this one is container 4, and this one is container 5. Okay. Suppose these 5 container we have created. Okay. Where we have created this all container we have created. Not okay. This is bridge network. Okay, this is bridge network. These all are connected with this one. You all guys are knows about the bridge network, right? So this network has been created on server. Where this one is created? This is created on server 192.168.29.101. Okay, if you will see, um, see these all containers has been created on 101 server. Okay, so now see. Okay, so in container, suppose we have this one is uh, log DevOps container 1. Okay. Similarly, this one is container 2, log DevOps container 2. Okay, this one is log DevOps container 2. Similarly, this one is log DevOps container 3. And this one is 4, this one is 5. Okay. So now I want to see the IP of this container. Okay. So whatever the container, this one is log DevOps container 4. This one is log DevOps container 5. Okay. Now these all container have their own IP. Okay. Their own IP. How we will check? See here. So how we can check the IP of the container? Tell me. Yesterday I already explained about the inspect of means network. Okay. So can you tell me the
Docker network
Docker network?
inspect city.
Okay. So Docker network inspect and the network name. Okay, first we should check the network name. Docker. How we can check the network? Docker network ls. So this is the name of network. Okay. On this network, we have created 5 container. Okay. Uh, Here bridge network name is backend net 1. Okay. Backend net 1. Now these all container has been created on this bridge network. Backend net 1 container means 1 network. Okay. And host is this one. So if you will see, this is the network name, and these all are the logged here. See, log DevOps container 1, log DevOps container 2. These all has been created on this. So we can check it by using inspect. So you can write it as Docker network inspect, and you can take the name of network name. Okay. Now see, this is the network name, right? On top of this, we have created 5 container. Okay, see, container 1, container 4 is here, container 3 is here, container 2 is here, and container 5 is here. It's 1, 2, 3, 5 container. I have created it. Okay. So now, if you will see the IP of particular container, see, if you want to see the log DevOps container 1 IP. So here log container 1 IP is 172.24.0.2. Okay. Similarly, if you will see the IP of container 4 is assigned as a 172.24.0.5, and container 3 is having 4, container 2 is having 3, and container 5 is having 0.6, means 172.24.0.6. Okay. So these are the, so we can note it down the IP address as well here. We can write the IP of, okay, so container 1, what the IP? Container 1, if you will check, this one is the IP, right? Okay. This one is the IP port, this one, right? You can, okay, let it, this one, okay. And similarly, This one is for container 4. Okay, suppose this one. Okay. Okay. Wait, I will write it down. Okay, I will use a better one. This one is having 172.24.0.2. Okay, and this one is having 172.24.0.3, correct? And this one is having 172.24.0.4, right? And C4 is having container 4 is having container C3 4. I have written correct only, right? Container 4 is having 5 now. Container 4 is having 5. Container 4 is having 5. Okay, correct only. One 24.0.5, and this one is having 172.24.0.6. Okay, now each container is having their own IP. Okay, so now come to here. And here you are able to see one more thing, MAC address. Okay, MAC address is also assigned for a particular container. All container is having their own MAC address. Okay, on MAC address. Now tell me, you guys, I have now few questions. Okay, for you guys. I will write here. Okay, first question. Can the host talk to the container? Question number 1. Tell me the answer. Can the host talk to the container? What I am asking? This is the host. Okay. This is the host. Okay. This will talk to the container.
Yes, they can talk.
They can talk. Your
They
answer.
can talk to each other.
Okay. Your answer is yes. Tell me whose answer is yes. Yes.
My answer is also yes.
Yes, they can talk.
Okay. Janki, Nandita, and others, guys.
Is there any configuration inside like a host and the container?
Sorry.
And is there any configuration is there or directly it will talk to each other?
Yes, and see, I already told you that this all network has been deployed over the particular network, their own network. Like we have created backend container here. I think something deleted here. Backend net one. We have created the network, right?
Yeah.
This is the network, bridge network. On top of this bridge network, this 5 container has been created. Okay,
Yeah.
only we did this one. On top of this network, we have created 5 container. Container 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell you. I forgot to mention it. See, this one, what we did. See, if you will come to here, okay, come to here, Docker PS. See, you are able to see here port number is assigned like 1496 and here 1496 and here we did port forwarding, okay, from container to the outside world, right? Here what we did, container to the outside world. Here we deployed container to the outside world. 3 containers I have taken as a connection from, as we have exposed from host to the outside world. And here what we did, here directly I have deployed over the host only. I didn't means allowed to the outside world. Okay, this can't be accessed from the outside world. Okay, so if you will see here, if you will inspect this container, Docker inspect.
Network, no?
No, I want to inspect this container. Okay, I want
Only
to
container. Okay.
uh, see. Port number is where is port number? 1496. Where is? Okay, network setting. Yes. See here you are able to see these things. Okay, only 1496 TCP. Now, if you will inspect other container, this one container, this one, okay, that I have exposed to the outside world. Okay, now inspect this container. Now see, now check. See, here we have found like this host port 2000, host port 2000, and here port is 1496. And there we are not able to see the outside world IP, right? Outside no, port number. If you will see, this one, we are going. See here, you are not able to see the outside. And here, if you will see port binding, you are able to see here host IP, host port. You are able to see outside world IP port number. Okay. So here you can mention 2 things more. Docker, Docker PS, which one? Log 4 and 5 is on port this one 1496, 4 and 5, 4 and 5. This one. This one is deployed only over the 1496 and this one on port now 1496 and this one and this one. This one I need to check. 321 96 99 98 2000. Okay. Okay. So this one is on one double nine triple nine, right? And this one is on 1998, and this one is of 2000. Okay. Okay. First answer you have given. Okay. Now I have one more question. Can the container talk to the host? Tell me the answer. First question is, can the host talk to the container? And just the opposite question is, can the container talk to the host? Tell me the answer. Yes.
Answer will be yes.
Sure ना?
यस हो जाएगा.
Okay, I'm writing as a yes. Okay. Now question number 3. Here we have taken 5 container, right? So now I have one more question. Can container C1 talk to the container 2? Tell me. Container is it can the container talk to the container 1 to the container 2? Can container C1 talk to the container C2? Answer is yes or no.
Yes.
Yes, it is.
Will talk.
Yes, because both are in same subnet.
Why?
Both are in same subnet.
Both are in same network, right? On
Yeah,
same.
subnet. Yeah, same. Yeah,
Yes.
correct. Yeah.
Mhm. Okay.
One more question. Sorry. If interviewer is asking how container one like container two will talk, so how I will explain in deeply, with the help of subnet it will talk, or internally we have to explain each and everything.
Yes. See, you guys have given this answer. Okay. So first you guys tell me the answer. I will explain these all things. Okay. I will explain how you have to explain. If interviewer will ask you like how means container 1 is talking to the container 2, container 3, if network is like a bridge network. If we have bridge network, on the top of bridge network, if suppose interviewer will ask, suppose on top of bridge network, we have the 5 container. How means container 1, container 2, 3, 4, 5 will talk to each other. Okay. So can someone explain this answer?
Through container IP address.
Sorry, Nandita.
Through container IP address.
Through container IP address. Okay. Can you explain little bit more? So what is happening here? Explain everything. Okay.
Means full scenario we have to explain. Then
Yes.
they will understand, right?
Yes. Whole scenario you have to explain to the like what you have
Story.
to give the answer. Like suppose we have a single host server as like a 192.168.2.9.101 is here. So we will take one. Suppose we have a single host server. On single host server, suppose we have created a bridge network. That bridge network like something name will be for that bridge network. Like here we have created backend net 1. Okay, on top of this bridge network, we have created
Five
5 containers.
container,
Okay,
and
on
in container has different IP address.
yes, all container is having their own IP, that is a subnet IP. Okay, so with the help of this IP, container 1, container 2 will talk to each other because uh, give me a second. Yes, where we are. Okay. Uh, means what I was explaining. Yeah. So we have means five container. Okay. For each five container, we have a particular IP assigned for this all container one, container two. Okay. And what bridge network is providing? Bridge network is providing the connectivity between the container. Okay, so that container will talk to each other because we have created this all container on the top of this bridge network. That's why this container will talk to each other. Okay, likewise you can answer it. Okay, now question number 4 I should write. Container, what I have written.
So in
Kind
that case, Harish, so we can, in that case, we can say that the bridge network is also called the custom bridge network, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Correct, correct. If you see, if you will create five container by default on bridge network, that will also talk to each other. Okay, that is not a problem. If interviewer
And
will,
then one minute, one scenario here. If it is a default bridge,
yes,
right? So if it is a default bridge, so it is not with the communicate to each other, right? Because at that time we need to be just publish the port with the host network, right?
if you are not going to create any custom bridge network, then that
Mhm.
is by default will be bridge network. Okay, so what is bridge network? Bridge network means that will talk means container will talk inside a single host machines. Okay, in single host machines, container will talk to each other. Okay, and if a single host, there by default network will be bridge only. Okay, so that will talk to each other.
Yeah.
See,
Cannot create a multiple container in a by default bridge, right?
by default bridge also you can create a multiple container. That is not a problem.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Can create it.
Oh,
On the top of host, how many container can we create maximum?
See, and yesterday I already have mentioned about this one. See,
it,
if
it
you
depends
already
upon the standard range of the IP address.
yes, see here
But
already range is
default
coming
was
here, right?
yeah, yeah.
Default is 16, and that one also you can increase or decrease. By default, it's giving like 16 only. Okay. So later I will make a changes in the means range also. Okay. And one more thing I want to show you. See here I have shown with five container. Okay. So here if you will see, I have assigned on this host as 5 GB RAM. Okay. So see almost 3.20 GB is covered. Okay. See if you will see here.
Yeah, this question is very important. Asking like if the supposed to be memory is going to so how
Yes.
can I extend the memory? This is a very important question.
Yeah. Interviewer will ask that and how you can troubleshoot if your RAM is full or means your storage is full.
Memory information, yeah.
Yeah. So this is the information here. Okay. If I will kill any container, this will reduce. Okay. So, okay. Now I'm going to write here fourth question. Okay. Okay. Fourth question. Uh, can can the container, any container, okay, can can the container, is all container, can the container from this host, एक मिनट time दे. Can the other host, if I will take other host, can the other host talk to the container. What I am asking, suppose on this server, on this host, I have created this many container. Okay, can we, can we, can this host will talk to this container? This is another server. Okay, this is another server. Can these all container will talk to the other host container? Means other host server. I am talking about this IP. Okay, what I
It
am
is not
asking,
possible. Yeah, it is not possible to reconnect them. Yeah.
that
Both
is
are in both are in some different net.
both are in different network.
Host
See,
host is different. Right?
host is different. Okay, see, suppose, see here one host is available. Here I have created one more host. Okay, that is 192.168.29.39 is there, right? Okay, and these two server has been created in a single cluster. In a single cluster. Okay,
Can you repeat once? Can you repeat once?
see here we have 192.168.29.101 is host, and second host is 192.168.29.39 is here, and here is 101, and these both host has been created in a single cluster. Okay, in a single cluster both server are created. So now the question is what? This container will talk to this IP, means this host, yes or not? Can the other host, can the other host talk to the container? This host will talk to the host, or means this container will talk to this host.
If they are in same the cluster, and in the then they are it is possible to communicate with each other.
So means question answer is yes only, right?
Yes. Yeah, it will be.
Other one,
Yeah, it will. Yeah, it will be. Yeah, correct. Yeah.
okay, we'll talk, right?
Yeah.
Answer is
Yes.
yes only, right? Okay. So now uh, we will see one by one as a practical, okay, these things, because see this concept is very important. Okay, right now we are learning, this is the bridge network. Okay, bridge network is the easiest network is available in the like Docker. Okay, so this is the easiest one, and if you knows about this concept, then after only you will come to know about the second network like overlay, IP line, those all. Okay, so this that's why I told you this bridge network you should um, learn, and you should understand it, so that other network is very easy to understand. Okay, because see,
Fourth one answer is yes, but please explain it.
okay, yes, I will explain it. So anyone try to explain, or I should explain it? Sandeep, you want to explain it?
And in that case, as per my knowledge, I am telling you, in that case, the
Mhm.
both hosts are in the same network. And both hosts, the host 190, 101 and 39,
Ah,
the last host, both are in the same network. Because of that, they can connect with the, sorry, they can communicate with the container.
yes. So now I will explain a little bit more. Okay.
Haris, wait. Oh, one more I have doubt.
Okay.
Uh, Cluster have IP address or not?
This cluster,
No,
yes.
no.
Cluster.
I'm supposed to be. I have created one cluster, okay, and inside the cluster there
You
are
are asking
two
about this
hosts.
cluster, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. This cluster is also having their own IP. Okay.
So cluster has different IP address and host has different IP address, right?
Yes, yes. See,
Okay.
you have listened
So
about the
inside the
VM. You
yeah
have listened
inside the
about,
cluster that we can create the like two host or three host, right?
sorry.
Uh, uh, we want to tell like supposed to be there is a cluster, okay? So
Okay.
inside the cluster we can create two or more than three hosts, right?
Whatever you want, whatever your cluster is having capacity, like see, where I have created this cluster, I have created this cluster with the help of Oracle VirtualBox, right? And where on this computer only, on this laptop only, okay. And whatever this laptop having capacity, according to that we can create, okay. See, suppose, okay, this page is full, 1 minute. See, whatever these all IP has been means all host has been created. This you can understand it as a cluster, right? As a cluster, okay. This act as a cluster, and where our cluster is created, where I have created on the top of where? Tell me,
Oracle virtual machine.
virtual box, virtual Oracle box.
Where
Yeah, okay. Here you can write it as a Oracle. Okay. See, if you will see here, see Oracle VM virtual box machine. Okay. I have created this cluster on top of Oracle virtual machine.
it means
Okay.
these all are cluster, right? Like
See,
whatever is showing in the left side, these all are cluster.
See, these all are under the cluster only. See,
Okay, 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 okay.
these all server are inside this cluster only. See, if you want to know the on if you want to know, see these all are the IP of which one? These all are the IP of your host only. Okay, these all are the IP of your host only, and this is our system. This is our system. Which one? This is our system, right? This is
My
our
point is,
system.
this is the cluster
So
from
if
the
you,
starting. So it
sorry,
was very difficult. So, and from the starting time, it was very difficult to understand what is the cluster.
okay. See, if you will see here, IP config, right? See, here is one more IP. See, 192.168.29. If you are able to see, this is the range. Okay, this is the range of these all IP. If you will see, we are on. See, these all are the range of 29, 29, 29. Okay. Now, you have already asked the question. So one more thing I want to tell you. See, this cluster I have created on this virtual box, right? Now, now, suppose you have little bit more. Now, see, this is virtual box. Okay, this is virtual box. Okay. Now we have AWS. Okay, which one? We have AWS. Okay. What this one is providing? What AWS providing? On AWS also, you can create the server, right? Means
Just like our
instance. You
yeah.
are you are creating instance, right? Instance one, two, three, four, five, and so on, right? So on. So how you are able to create this much instance? Means whenever you are going to purchase like license for AWS, okay, that time you are paying some amount, okay, you have to pay some amount to
Yeah, they
AWS.
are chargeable. They are
Suppose,
chargeable at hourly basis.
yeah. So whatever you are paying according to that, they will give you the RAM, okay, total RAM, like they will provide you RAM like like 600 GB RAM, okay, and storage is like 200 TB, okay. This much they will provide. Now, according to your wish, okay, you can create like if you will create 10 GB RAM, okay, 10 GB RAM, okay, one server, then how much you can create? 60 server, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that is the concept only. And see, now one more thing is here, okay. And now you want to create a 4 cluster or means 2 cluster, okay. Suppose you want to create here on this machine only, AWS only, you want to create 2 cluster, okay. You want to create 2 cluster, okay. Then you will divide accordingly, okay.
So here
And
all the instances are act like a cluster.
yes, yes. Single, what you want to tell, like, see, suppose host, you mean 3 server you have created. Host 1, host 2, host 3. Okay. Suppose this is cluster 1. Okay. And suppose we have taken cluster 2. Okay. And here also you have created like H1, H2, H3. Like here you have created 4 server. Okay. 1, 2, 4. Yes. Now tell me, Nandita, what you want to tell?
Here I am just telling that within a cluster there are in the first cluster we have created 3 hosts.
I will later. I will explain the cluster. Okay, but okay, little bit. I will explain it. 1 minute. Let's see. See, um, see. Right now we are talking about the Docker. Okay, we are talking about the Docker. Okay, next class is about the cluster only. Okay, next class is about only cluster only. Okay, so I want to explain little bit here only. See, in Docker, okay, suppose you have one master node. Okay, you have one master node. Okay, on this master node, suppose you have created one worker node. Okay, worker node 2, and here worker node 3. Okay, here one master node you have created. Okay, here now one more master node. Okay, master node 2. Okay, here also you have created like worker node like 4, because already one you have created. So same IP you can't create, right? So here worker will be uh, 5 and here 6. Okay, suppose you have two, this is one cluster. Okay, in one cluster you have created these things. Okay, here what we are actually doing, see, on master node, suppose you have installed the Docker. Okay, Docker. Similarly, you have installed the Docker on this machine as well. This machine as well, these all machine. Okay. So now on top of this, okay, on top of this Docker, this is the master node. This one having different IP. Okay, this one having different IP. Okay, here what you did, here you have installed the Kubernetes. Okay, here you have installed the Kubernetes. Okay, but here on this master node, Docker is available. Docker is available. Okay, on top of this Docker node, only Kubernetes is installed. Okay, only Kubernetes is installed, but this worker node only we have installed Docker. Only we have installed Docker. Okay, because whenever you are going to learn about the Kubernetes, okay, whenever you are going to learn Kubernetes, this will act as a master node where Kubernetes will install. Okay, okay. So in this cluster, on top of on master node, on top of Docker node, we are creating the Kubernetes. Okay. So later I will explain more. Okay. So right now understand these things only. Okay. On this master node we have 3 servers. So if these 3 servers are connected, later what we will do now? Whatever this server IP. Okay. Suppose this server have in this master node having some IP. Okay. Like see 192.193.0.1. Okay. Similarly, this one is also having 192.193. 0, 2, suppose it is 3, this is 4. Okay. So now we will create connectivity between this one, okay, master node and worker node. Okay, master node and worker node. Master node and worker node. Okay. Later I will explain this all, okay.
Okay.
Um,
So as I understand, can I say in that way? So cluster, talking about some cluster words here. The cluster meaning is a group of virtual machine,
yes, yes,
right? And
yes,
each virtual machine working as a master, and each node is a working as a work node is a working as a containers.
yes, correct. See, if you will suppose, see here, this is the virtual machine. Okay. Suppose I have created on top of this machine, right? So here we in a starting class, I have shown you one bridge network, right? See, if you will see here in setting, I told you guys to create one bridge network. See, here I told you guys to create bridge adapter. Okay, so that inside this means inside this VM, okay, with the help of this bridge network, these all server will talk to each other. Okay, so you can say like these all are under one cluster only. Okay,
Yes, exactly.
these all are under one cluster only. And if you want to see the master node, this is your master node. Okay, this is your master default gateway. On top of this, we have created this many um, server. Okay, you can for now only you can understand these things only. So, so now I think this is clear to all, guys.
Yes, clear.
I think right now these things little bit might be clear. Later I will explain more about this one. Okay, if I will explain more things, you guys will like. I think you guys will not understand it. Okay, so later if I will explain one by one things, that will be better. Okay, so again I'm coming here. Okay, so okay now we will see the practical things. Okay, how we can check these all. Okay, how we can check these all connectivity. Okay, so now come here. Okay. Hmm.
One
So
question. If
mhm.
if two hosts are in different networks, so they can't talk with each other.
Yeah, if you are giving like see this see right now I have created this server in my own network. Okay, if you will try to access this network, this IP, are you able to means access this IP? No,
No.
right? Because I have different network, you having different network, right?
Okay, got it.
Yeah, that's why in a starting only I told you guys to create these all server on a means like see I have a particular this one Wi-Fi network. Okay, this Wi-Fi network is also having one particular IP. Okay, particular IP. If I will disconnect this network and I will connect to other network, okay, that then our all server will crash. See, if I will see right now, suppose this is Geo network, okay. This is UDI one is Geo one, okay, and this Pi is suppose Airtel, okay. So right now, whatever I have configured this server on network UDI one, okay, if I want to run these all server on network, this one on network like Airtel Pi one, okay, that will not work. Okay, because this will work as a different network. Okay, see,
It is a type of security like that from the another network it will not connect, right?
correct, correct. See, but if you will see on AWS, there they are providing one private IP and one is public IP. There they are providing two IP. Okay, that's why you are able to access in different network as well. Okay, there you are able to access in different network as well. But here, if you want to access this IP, means this host, that is difficult. That is difficult. But see, but if we will create and see right now, whoever is doing like work from home, right? Work from home, everyone is having one tool. Okay, everyone is having one tool, means maybe like different kind of tool for jump server, right? I think you guys maybe listen about the jump server, or what I should say, Sandeep, we are connecting one tool, right? What that tool,
It is jump server or the bastion host we are talking about, and it is a
like remote server, how we are connecting?
they installed one software.
uh,
Okay, or just
that software name,
uh, because of that they can
It's called VPN or VPN is different, I think, right?
uh,
private network. It's a
no, no,
private
on
Yeah,
network.
yeah.
VPN, top of VPN only that is configured
Okay,
actually.
okay.
On the top of VPN only. So
So
see, we
generally in
see,
company, which type of network is connecting, like public or the private is there?
see
Private is
there
there,
is,
no?
there is private only. See, there are some company are using like Citrix. Maybe someone is
Yeah, yeah, I know Citrix, yeah.
Citrix. Yeah, okay. And more, I think. So these are the network part things. Okay. So maybe someone using other tools to connect the means IP. Okay. Okay, practical. No? Okay, now first we will see what are the container we have. So Docker, yes. See, right now we have 5 container is available here. So anyone having doubt about this container, or everyone means is clear? These all container created. How this
Clear.
clear, right?
Yeah.
How this?
In container 5 we haven't published it, like we haven't done the port mapping. So in future if I want to do the port mapping for the container 5, how we can do it?
Then what you have to do now? You have to directly stop it, and again you have to make it. Likewise, you have to do.
Okay,
See,
it means I have to delete this container again
yes,
to create.
yes, correct.
Container can destroy itself or not?
Sorry,
Can container can destroy itself?
can
Uh,
container destroy itself?
yeah, yeah.
Destroy means you are telling, or means can container like crashed. Okay, yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah, correct, yeah.
a container can be crashed. There are so many kinds of reason. Okay, maybe your CPU like whatever you have given the CPU utilization, that will be like, see, more heat is coming on your server. Okay,
Yeah,
more,
yeah, got it, yeah, got it.
so those are the answer. That
Actually, a question is asking that types of internally interviewer is. So now I'm like confidence they will ask me, so I can reply all the answer.
yeah. Definitely. See, if you will see all the things, all the scenario, I'm trying to explain all the scenario. Okay, here I'm trying to explain all the things, and means whatever you guys having new question, you can bring here, and we will. If I have means if I don't know, then I will search it and I will Google it. I will ask someone. I will explain here. Okay. So if you guys having like new type of question, you can bring here. I will explain it. Okay. Okay. So right now we have 5 container. Okay. So what we will do now? First, okay. What are the question I have written? That we will do one by one. Okay. So what we will see, I have written here. No. Can the host talk to the container? Okay, one by one I will write here. Okay. Suppose, see, right now, um, from here, okay, this is the host, right? I am where I am right now. I am on the host 101. Okay. Try to ping to the outside world. Okay, ping hyphen c. Suppose, suppose I want to throw a 5 message. Okay, on Amazon.com. Amazon.com. Okay, so what this is doing, what this will tell us, this will ping from this host to the outside world. Okay, to the outside network, right? So, this will ping or not? Tell me. This will the ping will success or ping will fail? Tell me. I
Thing will
want.
fail because of Amazon is running on the different now. So I think I can't be access from here.
Okay, your
It
answer
will
is
not fail.
Nandita. Your answer is fail.
No, not fail.
Okay, and other one.
It will be success, I believe, because it's working on the bridge network, right? Custom
Okay,
bridge.
okay, bridge network. Ravi, Sarfraz.
Yeah, I feel this will fail. The ping will fail here. The network. Maybe if you try to overlay or
See,
Sorry, we are not in the container, right?
we are not inside the container, right? We
It
are
will
on the
not be
host.
work. Yeah, it won't be work. Yeah,
Will not work.
right. The container. We are not in the container, right? We are in the
See,
machine.
right now, I am on host. I am on 101. See, I am on 101 host, not inside the container. Okay, I am on the host.
will ping.
So this,
Mm, yeah,
think you can think. Okay,
yeah, yeah.
see, right now, just now I have shown you. Okay, and this server is on bridge adapter. Okay, outside, and outside on this laptop only. Okay, and this laptop is connected with this Wi-Fi. Okay, so network is available, so definitely we will connect, right?
Yeah, right. It is.
Right? Now you
Yeah,
got
it
it.
is. Yeah, I'm getting it. Yeah, it is.
So this, mm, see, yes, pinging, right? See here, if you will see 5 packet we have given here, 5 packet we have given here, 5 packet transmitted, 5 received, 0 packet loss. So all packet is success. Now tell me, this is clear to all, or anyone means having the
Yeah, I have done out. I forget it. What is the packets? Okay. So can you explain
packet?
in little bit?
Packet means this is the packet you have passed. Okay, whatever you are giving the message, right?
So
Okay,
URL is a type of URL, right? Like
URL,
Amazon.com.
URL message, anything you are sending. Like
Okay, I got it. Got it. Yeah.
see on WhatsApp, you are
Packet is a type of message that we can pass.
yeah, like see on
Okay.
WhatsApp, what you are sending text. In text, what is text? Text is a packet you are sending to other persons. Okay, if
In
that
network
packet
side,
is,
in
if that
network side, we can say that sync and acknowledge.
Correct, correct. In network term, we are calling as a sync and
Acknowledge, yeah.
yeah, sync as acknowledged. Yes. So yeah, this is clear to all. Means why this ping is happening here.
Yes.
This is okay.
That's it.
If it is a private network, then this ping will not work.
Yeah, if this is a like a private network you are given for this server only, okay, not outside world, then that will not happen. See, sometimes what means like see, in company you are trying to open some particular like server means server like Amazon, okay, like Facebook. If you will try to open Facebook in your office network, that is blocked, right? That is blocked. That is hosted on a particular network, right? But that network is blocked. That's why you are not able to. So that can be also that can be created. Okay. So similarly, you can allow for a for a particular server to not allow to the other network. Okay, that is possible. Yeah. Okay, so this is clear now.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Yes, clear.
Okay, now on this host, I want to access any container IP. Okay, I want to ping on this container IP. This one is log DevOps container 5. Container 5. What is the IP? Container 172.24.06. Okay, I want to send some packet to the container 5 from the host. So what will be ping hyphen c. For this one also I'm sending 5, or you can give like 7 also, whatever you want. So what is IP? 172.24.0 IP is 6, right? 6, no? 6, yes, 6. Okay. I'm giving as a 6. Okay. So tell me, this ping will happen or not? Means from the host to the container will talk or not? Tell me, guys. Tell me this packet will go or not?
Yeah, it should be, I believe. Because of the same network, yeah. Same network connected with the bridge network.
Hmm. Packet will go,
It,
right?
it will ping.
So yes for all,
Yes.
or anyone no side.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. So yes, there is a connectivity between a host wherever we have deployed the container, there is a connectivity, right? Okay, so there is no loss of packet. Okay, there is no loss of packet. Okay, that we have checked now. From the host to the container we have checked. Now host to the container we have checked. Now what the other question? And the container total. Okay, now we want to ping the container from the host, okay, from the outside world. Okay, so what we will do now, what we will do, suppose now we want to ping, Okay, this is happen. What will here outside will already done, and from the host to the container already done. Okay, and one more things. See, one question I have now. See here, see here, this this port is exposed on this server only, right? And this is exposed to the outside world. So right now we have we try to give means okay on this container six is where six port, which one is having five only, right? Okay, this one only. Okay, okay, six we already did. So for this one ping is happening. Okay, what will happen for this one? Now if I will try to ping for this one, container 2, okay, 03. So this will ping or not? For 3, this will ping or not? Because this is deployed outside the world. Okay, because if you want to open this one here, on which button, 1999, right? Sorry, 29101. 101,199 here. Okay, so this is we have deployed this one outside this host, right? We have exposed outside. So means now this ping will happen or not? Message will go or not? Tell me for this container.
It is a connectivity between bridge to host, right? It should be, yeah.
Yes, it should be.
It should be right.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. What we can check more things now. Now we will try from the container. Then after we will now we will check like we will go inside the container. Okay. Now what I have to check, this container 3 is talking to container 2 or not, or container 2 is talking to this all container or not. That I want to check, because these all container are created over a single network on bridge network, whatever we have created, right? So what we need to check, I want to check now from this container. Okay, from this container we are able to access this container or not. How we can check it?
Go inside the container, right?
We should go inside the container, right?
Those two scenarios is remaining: container to host and container to container.
Docker piece. Okay, so now we will enter into any container. Okay, okay. Tell me the command, guys. Tell.
Yeah, troubleshoot -t and the container name bin bash.
Container ID also we can give.
Yeah, bin bash.
This one also we can give. Bin.
Bin bash.
Okay. What happened? Okay.
It's used. Yeah.
No, correct, right? Okay. Where we are now? Where we are now? Inside the container. Okay. We are inside the container. Now tell me, inside the container, ping command will available or not? If see outside the container means we have a Ubuntu server, right? On Ubuntu server by default ping is installed. So This one is also Ubuntu container only. In the container, ping is installed or not? Tell me. Tell me, ping is installed or not?
By default, it is not installed.
Not installed, right? So if I will execute ping command, see, ping command not found. Okay, then what we need to do? Can we install the ping command inside the container?
Yeah, we can install that.
Others tell me. Nandita, can we install ping inside the container?
Yes.
Okay. We can create ping inside the container as well. So,
Install it.
so first what we will do, we can update the container, or you can, that's your choice. Okay. I will update the container first. So for update, you can write it as a apt update, because already inside the root, so no need to write the sudo, right? Oh, sorry. Apt update only, right? Yes, apt update. Okay. So our container machine will update now. Now remember one command, okay? Note it down, okay? Apt install -y ip root dot ip route 2 ip route 2, okay? ip route 2, what we this will give, this will from this command you will be able to see the um, ip of your container, okay? Here, see here, right now ip, if you will write here, this ip, oh, this is container only, no? Here, one more I will open. IPA. So we are able to see the IPA and these all details, right? These all details. But right now, without installing that one, we are not able to see. So first we will install IP, okay, IP route 2, so that we can check what is the IP of this container, okay? So install this one, IP route 2, okay? Okay, that is installed. So now if you will check IP, okay, IPA. Okay, so now see, this is the IP of this container, right? You are able to check now. Now ping, till now we didn't install the ping. Okay, so for ping installation, you can write it as a apt install IP tills ping. IP tills spelling is correct or wrong. IP utils
No, no, missing.
you only, right? Utils should be na
IP utils.
IP utils, right? Correct now?
Correct.
Correct na? Okay.
Install spelling is incorrect.
Okay, install it incorrect. Okay. Yeah, this will whatever unable to locate package IP Okay, E unable to locate. Okay, again I will update it. To update. Okay, now I will try to install. To install IP utils. Utils. IP. Okay, yeah, this one is working. Yeah, so now ping is installed, right? Now we will try to ping. Yeah, ping is correct now. Now it's coming, right? Now what I want? Now I want to ping. See, IP already we checked, right? IP. Yeah. IP, this container IP is 2004. Okay. Now I want to ping the means IP of another container. Okay. So already we checked. So what I can write here, ping hyphen C. Then after packet we will provide suppose 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever you want, 9. Okay. Now suppose I have given 172.24 0 suppose 3. Okay, 3 container we have, right? Means with IP. Okay, this will ping or not? Tell me. This will ping or
Yes, ping.
ping, right? Yeah, so packet is going. Okay, so this is clear to all, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it is clear, but Harish, when you have started now, like container can communicate with each other. So can you send me the like a screenshot?
Which one?
When container was talking to each other, na, upside you are pinged, upside. Uh, after the diagram,
After the diagram.
you have shown. Yeah, no, no. After the diagram, you have shown practically.
Okay.
Yeah. Some please
Okay,
send me the.
commands you can just mention in a WhatsApp group once the call is
I
complete.
will share these all things. Okay, I will.
Because of this, this is very very important. Mostly they are
This
asking
is,
the question from here.
yeah, mostly see in interview.
Now I am clear.
Right now, I will explain 2, 3 more networking concept. Okay. See, if you have experience like more than 4 years, 5 years, then they will definitely ask these things. Okay. These things they will definitely ask. Okay. Okay, I will give you these all things. Okay. Screenshot
Yeah.
I will take. We'll send you all. Okay. Okay. So now this is done. Oh, okay. So now container to container already we have checked. What are the remaining things? One more things. Outside the world, we have checked from this container.
Container to host is remaining. Container to host, container to outside.
Outside the remaining, so then
Yeah.
we can ping hyphen c 5 packet Amazon dot like Flipkart.com. Okay. Yes. From container also you are able to ping. Now what's the remaining? Yeah, one more things. Now I want to one more question I have asked. From container, okay, from this container, I want to ping this host. This is different host. Okay, this is different host. Is it possible from the container, from this container, is it possible to ping this one?
Yes, it's possible.
It's outside, means outside, other machine talking about, right?
Uh,
Other host, right?
yes.
Yeah, it is because
Ping?
it's the same virtual machine. Same
Yeah.
cluster, it is, right?
Mhm. So 192. 529, 39. Okay. Yes.
Yes.
So this content, there is a connectivity between from this container to the other host or same cluster. Okay, that's why. Okay, so I think now we have seen all scenarios. I think. Okay, one more things. Okay, right now we checked with IP only, right? Can we try with container name? Can we try with container name? See, right?
Yes.
Go to
Yeah, so we should try with container name as well. Okay, this is this one we already tried. No, right?
Yeah, it is. It is. Yeah. The, the
IP,
place of
IP we
the place
tried.
of in the place of IP, we just mention the container.
Right.
This one we tried.
No, we didn't.
No, no.
No, no, no.
Okay. So in place of IP, we are giving the
Name.
container name. Okay. So what your guy means what the answer will be?
Yeah, it is.
Should be yes, right? Should be yes, right?
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So this is also working. Okay.
Yeah, I see. Yeah.
Okay. One more I have dot. If I will create now these things we already checked. Okay, this is the server. Sudo sudo 430 now. 5 minutes I will take more, okay? Docker PS. See, these all we have created inside the custom network, right? So now one we will create on default network. Then I will try to ping, okay? That we can check, right? Or that will be the homework for you guys. Okay. So you have to create one more container here on default network bridge. Okay, on this one, Docker network ls. See, right now on this network we have created 5 container. Okay, one more container you have to create on this bridge network. Okay, and then try to ping that is working or not. Okay, that will be for you guys. Okay,
So, yeah.
so okay, so for today's this much only. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
Okay, so now I'm dropping the calls. Before dropping, so I'm asking means anyone having doubt about this one means whatever I explained.
That's no, everything okay. Yeah, because we try to do that from our, if anything is needed,
Okay.
we'll just speak to the.
Okay. So I think this is all clear to all, right?
Yes, clear.
Okay, then I'm dropping the call. Okay.